the stream be starting.
What is going on, guys? What is going on? How are you guys doing? Welcome to the live stream. Let's get the music going. There we go. Let me know how everyone's doing today. What is going on, guys? What's up, Frank B? How you doing, bro? Our first viewer on here, Frank B. Thank you for going live consistently. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you so much for the support, bro. I really, I wasn't even gonna go live today, but then I thought, you know, I don't have tomorrow. I have tomorrow off, so, you know, I could stay up a little later. So, you know, I said, might as well, you know, might as well just go live, right? So, thank you so much, Frank B. And I'm gonna definitely try to stay more consistent. And I love going live. It's just the fact that having a daytime job, you know, coming home, sometimes you're tired, right? Like really tired. But, you know, I'm working so one day I can go, I don't have this daytime job anymore. You know what I'm saying? So, and I believe that's possible. I believe that's possible, especially in the world today. As I'm trying to untangle these headphones here for TikTok. But appreciate the support, man. If you haven't yet, join the Telegram or Discord. I'm pretty sure you're on there if you use Telegram or Discord. But let's get it started. Let me get this set up here on TikTok. Sniff says, still liking your stream. Sniff, thank you, man. Thank you so much. And Sniff, you're a long-term supporter of here. You know, many have came and gone, but you stayed here. And I thank you so much, bro. So I'm just responding to some questions, comments here. But man, I won't leave your brother. Hey, thank you, Sniff. Thank you so much, Sniff. I won't leave you guys either. I don't care how bad it gets here in the markets, right? Like today, the last couple days. I won't leave you guys either. I mean, you guys know I started live streaming during the bear market, so you know, I don't know what has to happen, right? Like I started live streaming when the Luna Classic, you know, the Terra Luna thing happened with, you know, when all these bank runs on crypto like Celsius and everything happened. So yeah, except for now because I gotta go. It's all good, Sniff. It's all good, bro. I know it's kind of late. I'm streaming tonight because I don't have work tomorrow, so. And don't worry, I'm gonna stream during the day tomorrow too. Since I don't have work, I'm gonna stream a little bit in the morning, a couple hours in the morning, so that'll be great. Appreciate it. Yeah, trade. This is a trade. We're about to get into Bitcoin. Don't worry. We're gonna look at the charts. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. What's going on? Give you guys some hopium. Because honestly, guys, I mean, well, I don't really think it's out of the world what's happening here. Altcoins dumping. It's very similar to 2018. And we're gonna get into that very soon here. Yeah, I'm just setting up my camera here on TikTok, so we could do a double live stream here at the same time. But while everyone's freaking out, we're saying it's different this time, and I'm seeing a lot of similarities to 2018. And I'll prove it. I'm not here to give you trades, man. I'm not gonna give you trades. I don't like doing that, because if I give you a trade and someone gets wrecked, or you know, they don't know when to get out of the trade, then they're gonna come and be like, oh, you gave me a bad trade. But there are streams where I do live trading, so let's do this here. All right. There we go. Let's get my other. All right, there we go. How's everyone doing today? How'd you guys been here during the market crash, right? The last two days, especially today too. What's up, Raul? The quiz. How we doing, everyone? Hodling. Yeah, bro. I've been buying. I honestly been buying. I actually hold up, guys. Let's get it started here on TikTok so we can do this at the same time. Don't want to waste no time here to get live on TikTok, so what should I put here? Alright, whatever that. Alright, let's go. Go live 3. But we're live both on TikTok, YouTube. But yeah, I saved, because I knew there was gonna be a event like this, right? A moment like this where we dump even harder. And I've been buying. I bought some today, yesterday. So, do you exit your position altcoins? What? Or holding? Yeah, I mean, for the most part, you know, I've been buying and holding. But yeah, when I trade, like scalping, that yeah, I'll exit out of it. I mean, but recently, I mean, the crypto markets are so volatile itself that, you know, I just been holding for the euphoria stage of the bull market. So I turn off my notifications for the day after the dump, unfazed. Well, yeah, me too, Raul. I mean, I don't even mind looking at the, you know, notifications or Twitter and stuff like that, because you see, I've been buying since the bear market, right? If you've been buying starting in March or, you know, recently, I understand it probably, you know, it probably sucks because you're probably down a lot, but I'm pretty sure you also been buying during the bear market, so you probably bought a lot of coins a lot lower than where they're even at right now, right? So it doesn't really hit me that much as other people. So sorry about that, guys. What's up, guys, on TikTok? How are you guys doing? Don't forget to like, guys. Every like helps a lot. As we're looking here on the market, this is on the daily. A lot of coins up on the daily, believe it or not. But again, when we come here on the weekly, it's a different story, right? We'll see here on the weekly what coins are down the most. But on the daily, looking at a lot better. Lido's up 25%. And I think I know why Lido and ENS are up this much right now, guys. I think it's with the latest news regarding Ethereum. Cause it was just announced that Ethereum, that the SEC they gave up on trying to basically prove that Ethereum is like security or whatever. And we're starting to see Ethereum up, and a lot of Ethereum coins like Lido, ENS up nicely here. So this is pretty good news for Ethereum and the Ethereum ecosystem, and it's gonna be good news for the overall altcoins. So we'll see how the markets react going into tomorrow. But thank you guys for coming. We got 99 people already. Don't forget to like, guys. Don't forget to like the stream. We'll check out your coins. Dogecoin going down, brother. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at Dogecoin. And guys, if for you guys are surprised that Dogecoin came this low, let me see if I can find my video. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, because on YouTube, literally a month ago, when Dogecoin was 22 cents, I put up a video saying that Dogecoin can still go back to 12 cents, even 10 cents. And this was when Dogecoin was 22 cents. Like not too long ago. And I got a lot of hate on that video. There were little people commenting on the video saying I didn't know anything. I'm telling you, like I have the video right here. I'm not, you know what I'm saying, I don't want to spend the stream trying to find the clip, but I'll probably make like a TikTok on it later. But yeah, ETH gas is too high. I hate it. Yeah, ETH gas, I mean ETH, I'm pretty sure, you know, the news that just came out of Ethereum, the SEC not going after Ethereum, I guess now, you know, for it being a security. And we can see right here, ENS up 22%, which is an Ethereum coin. Lido up 25%. So, you know, this might be a turning point here for the market if Ethereum can start pushing here to the upside. And we'll take a look at Ethereum. Bitcoin above 65K. Ethereum is actually doing really well here. 3,500. So it's holding up pretty well. Versus the rest of the altcoins for sure. And even Bitcoin. I'm pretty sure Ethereum is doing a little bit better than Bitcoin right now. In comparison. So. But let's check out a lot of your coins. Don't forget to like. Comment the coins you guys want me to check out. How's Dogecoin doing? You guys want to check out Dogecoin? You think that will help the gas prices on ETH? Well, that's the thing. That's the reason why the gas prices are probably high, is because with this latest news with Ethereum, it's pumping Ethereum and a lot of Ethereum-based coins. So there's a lot of action going on in Ethereum right now. So the gas prices are probably going to get lower in the next coming days. And if you're gonna do something regarding the ETH gas prices, I would do it during like midnight, right? So maybe put a timer on around 1 a.m., 3 a.m. because that's usually when the prices are lowest for ETH. Dogecoin, so a lot of you guys asking for Dogecoin here on YouTube and also on TikTok. So let's check out Dogecoin. Dogecoin is gonna be our first coin that we check out here, as Bitcoin is at 65K. And guys, look. This is nothing new to me. If you guys follow me on YouTube, again, I posted a video when Dogecoin was 22 cents. And this week I'm gonna post a video here on TikTok showing proof. When Dogecoin was 22 cents not too long ago, a couple months ago, I said Dogecoin can probably still go to 12 cents. And the reason why was because of the Fibonacci, but I mean, look, when you look at this chart right here for Dogecoin, we can see it's doing something similar to the last pre-bull market. So I believe the lowest Dogecoin can come down here is 9 to 10 cents. I'll be surprised if it goes to 9 cents. But look, hey, it can wick down to 9 cents and come right back up. But I see the lowest Dogecoin going here around 10 cents if we continue to crash. But either way, I think it's a great time to buy. Right now, 12 cents, 10 cents, it's only a 2 cent difference, right? So I believe right now Dogecoin is at amazing prices. We can see right here, boom, right? Dogecoin, and like a big reason why I said this too, guys, why I said Dogecoin can come down here when it was up here around 21, 22 cents. A big reason was not just the golden pocket, but also that bear market resistance. And here we see that bear market resistance around 10 to 9 cents right there. You see that? And voila, look exactly where we wicked down to. That bear market resistance. So I think these are amazing prices for Dogecoin, not financial advice. Alright, what's up, Summer? Thanks for coming to the live stream. L Reps, how you doing, bro? So I know, look, it's all about psychology. For you guys are holding Dogecoin and kind of fearful, it's all about psychology. And when you look at this chart, you have good and bad news, right? The good news, well, the bad news is that we've been dumping, right? Dogecoin has dumped here. I'm betting like 50%. Yeah, so hold up. Dogecoin came down already 50%. Yeah, wow, look at that. Exactly 50%. So Dogecoin came down already 50% here from back here in March. So this is another great reason. 50% is pretty good. So I don't even say that's bad news. I think that's great news. But the good news, guys, is the fact that Dogecoin, it broke through that bear market resistance, right? A lot of altcoins still haven't done this. We broke through that. So we're showing signs of life here. We pivoted from that bear market range. We pivoted, and now all we're doing is we're coming down here to flip it as support to then go and create higher highs. It's just that simple. This is why I'm bullish on Dogecoin. I'm loving the price action, and the reason why I say that's good news is because look, a lot of altcoins are still like down here. They really haven't shown any life yet like Dogecoin has. So, you know, if you're invested in an altcoin that's like that, I'll be very cautious because it hasn't broken through that. It's still in bear market territory, basically. So that's why I'm saying I'm really liking Dogecoin and what it's doing. It's basically following the same thing they did here. And what I would watch here for Dogecoin is basically a rounded bottom. Okay, like a rounded bottom, something like that, which it did exactly right here, right? And what it did here, after it pumped up here, we came down, we had a nice rounded bottom. We even wicked down here. This is what I'm saying. We can still wick down here to 9 cents, do something like that. But then we gradually started working our way up here, and then we exploded. So I think Dogecoin is going to do something very similar to that back in 2019, 2020. And this could take time. This could take weeks, months. But I believe it's definitely going to start to go parabolic this year. Okay, for sure. So that's my opinion on Dogecoin. I think it's an amazing time to buy. I bought at 11 cents yesterday. So, you know, I'm just sharing my honest opinion regarding what the sentiment is, regarding what people's opinion. What's up, Jonathan? How you doing, bro? What do you think it would be if Elon picks it up for Twitter? Yeah, that's the other thing, right? You have the most influential man, in my opinion, Elon Musk, that I'm pretty sure has some big plans for Dogecoin. So he's smart. He's gonna release those plans at the right time. Probably once we start to go back up, right? Probably when the market is starting to swift the momentum to the upside. And the other thing too is when Elon gets licenses for most or all of the states for Twitter, because he still doesn't have the licenses yet for all the states. I believe it's like 25 or 30, something like that. So, you know, he's smart. He's gonna release his plans and updates for Dogecoin integration at the right time. So we'll see what happens. Elon is gonna take ADA, really? What makes you think Elon's gonna take Cardano? Do you think Shiba Inu is a good buy right now? Well, let's check. Let's check if Shiba Inu is a good buy. And again, guys, comment the coins below. I'm live right now. I'm going to check out all your favorite coins, all your favorite altcoins, and I'll tell you how it's doing here with this latest market crash. Okay. So is Shiba Inu a buy right now? Last time I covered Shiba here 2 days ago, I said Shiba still has some room to come down here. But if you're long term, bro, I've been commenting on render. Eden, my bad, bro. I'll check it out. I'll check it out. Don't worry. There's just so many comments on here, but I'll check it out, bro. So look, Shiba Inu real quick. Last stream I said Shiba Inu still has some legs to come down here near the golden pocket. All right, which would bring it here around 14 to 15. Okay, 4 zeros 15, 4 zeros 14. But if you're very long term Shiba Inu, basically if you're gonna hold this till the bull market euphoria peak, any price under the 0.5 Fibonacci, which is any price under 4 zeros 21, I think is an amazing deal. Because similar to Dogecoin, Shiba Inu has shown life here because it broke through that bear market resistance. Look at that. Look at that huge pump. Not a lot of altcoins look like this. And all it's doing now is coming down here to basically flip that as support. The bear market resistance needs to be flipped as support. So it still has some room to come down here, right? But it's not guaranteed that it will. But either way, I think it is a great time to buy. It's just that if it keeps dumping, don't get fearful, don't panic sell. Just average, you know, don't go all in at the price of right now, basically. So, but yeah, I do like it. Thank you for the flowers, Nizzle. How you been, bro? Thank you so much for the flowers. Let's see what coins you guys got here for us. We got Render from Eden. Let's check out Render for Eden. RNDR Render, which is, how much is it up today? Yeah, Render's up 10% today, guys. Look at that. HH, thank you for the heart, bro. Thank you so much, HH. How you been? I haven't seen you in a while, bro. Thank you so much for the heart. But Render's up 10% today. And let's take a look at the charts, right? Let me see if I can find a better render chart, because I don't like this one because it doesn't have a lot of history. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't have a lot of history. And what I mean by that is this one is better, right? Because this one, we see here, renders all-time high here back in 2021. And wow, yeah, look. Render looks very bullish. I'm gonna tell you why. And you know what Render is really doing, I said this last stream too, Render is basically doing the same thing that Bitcoin's doing. And what that is basically, whoa, thank you so much, HH. Thank you so much for all the hearts, bro. We reached my goal, 100 hearts. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate it. Man, you killed it. Thank you so much for all the hearts, bro. You reached my goal, 100 hearts. Just want to say thank you so much. As I was talking about Render here, Render is doing the same thing that Bitcoin's doing. And basically what that is, it's forming support and strength here at its previous all-time high back in 2021. So the all-time high ATH for Render was around $8, right? In 2021. That was the peak. Well, now we've been flat here, forming support for about 4 months now for Render, which is basically what Bitcoin's been doing too. It's been you know, ranging between 60k to 70k, 65k as it's at right now. So I think this is very bullish for Render. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of whales buying in right here in this range. And hey, look, we can be in this range here for you know, a couple more weeks and months before we have the next leg up. But for sure, we will have the next leg up here for render. It's just a matter of patience. And you know, it could do something like this. It could stay in this flag here, tighten up, and once it gets tightened, it can have that leg. So I don't believe render is gonna have a big dump or a big pump in the next coming weeks or months. I think it's just gonna continue to stay flat range, and then once, you know, Ethereum starts to fly and the market starts to fly, then they'll have the big leg up. So that's my opinion on render. Hope you liked it, but I'm super bullish on it for sure. Let's check out some more coins you guys got for us today. And I just want to say, for everyone that sent gifts, Nizzle, HH, and Eden now. Thank you so much, Eden, for the puffy hearts. Appreciate it, man. You guys are so nice. I really appreciate all the gifts. Jasmy prediction. Looking forward to the next Dogecoin deep dive YouTube video. Yeah, Raul, I'm gonna upload the video. I'm gonna keep uploading the Dogecoin videos, so do not worry on YouTube. If you like long form content, follow me on YouTube. I have over 34K subscribers, and we do deep dive, at least 8-minute videos on Dogecoin and other coins too. So Nvidia, bro, you want me to check out Nvidia? Harrison Fahad says, can you do Chainlink? Yeah, you know what, let's do Nvidia. I don't do stocks, right? I'm gonna do Chainlink next, but I don't do stocks. But let's, since Nvidia broke the record today, it's the biggest, most valuable company in the world, surpassing Apple, I believe, right? Let's do Nvidia just because of that. And I don't do stocks, so this is gonna be the first stock here that we look at for Harrison here. So yeah, I mean, look at this chart. This is Nvidia here since, man, back in 2000. Look, 2001, right? 2001. So this is what I'm talking about here, right? This is Nvidia back in 2001, and this is kind of similar to what's happening with crypto. We have the dot-com bubble, right? The dot-com bubble, Nvidia just collapses along with the markets. But guess what happens later? You know, for years and years and years, it just starts to go up and up and up. And now, today, it broke the record. It is the most valuable company in the world, surpassing Apple. So I believe this is going to happen with crypto too. But not every crypto, right? Just a specific crypto. Could it be Ethereum? Could it be Avalanche? Could it be Solana? I don't know. But I believe over time, the true utility coins, the true winners, will basically have all the money flow into that crypto. But talking about Nvidia here, it's crazy how I'm looking at a stock chart, and I'm still talking about crypto. But yeah, Nvidia, I mean, this is another great thing here that I see here for Nvidia. When it did this, right, this was on this drop right here that it had recently, back here in 2022, right? You see this drop here that it had here? This is a great time to buy, as it was pretty near here the all-time, you know, the high here back in 2018. So this was a great time to buy, and that was the latest low. Ever since then, 2022, it went from $10 all the way to $135, and it's just been going up and up. So very, very bullish chart. Now, I personally don't like to buy all-time highs, but hey, I mean, if you believe in this company, if you're planning on holding for 4 or 5 years, then it might be a good deal, right? So there you go. Nvidia was 1,200 and did it. Oh yeah, so yeah, it did a 110 split. Yeah, I could see. Yeah, they like to do a lot of splits on the stock market. But yeah, I mean, look, if you're bullish on the company and you're planning on holding at least 4 years, 5 years, then I think it's, even though it's at all-time highs, right? Like for example, if I'm trying to hold for at least 1 year, I wouldn't buy it right now at all-time highs. because it can we can have a recession, you know, and that we can be on a downtrend for years, right? 1 or 2 years. But if you believe on it 4 or 5 years plus, maybe you have a retirement portfolio, then yeah, it might be a great deal. Let's check out some more coins here. Let me scroll up because a lot of you guys are asking for a lot of coins. Draven says Avalanche, MAGA, please. We got Brett. Nvidia is predicted to get to 1,200 by 20. Really? That's crazy. If it gets back to 1 after doing the split, that would be amazing, right? Dogecoin, Solana, Avalanche. All right, let's do Avalanche real quick. Uni for HH. All right, we'll do Uni too. Let's do Avalanche real quick because I know Draven's been asking here for a while. And Chainlink too, yeah. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna do all your coins, okay? I'm gonna do all your coins. Do not worry. And I don't have work tomorrow, so I don't have to get off anytime soon. So, you know, we got time here. So look, Avalanche is one of the coins that I did buy yesterday and today. I'm just gonna be honest. I'll share the coins that I bought. And Avalanche for sure is one of them. Let's do a Fibonacci here. Yeah, I mean, look, Avalanche, you can see why I bought, right? I love buying coins when they come down here to the golden pocket, and that's exactly what Avalanche did. You can see we touched the golden pocket right there perfectly, right? And look, I was saying this when Avalanche was over here around you know, over $40. So Avalanche came down already from $66. How much is Avalanche down? From $66, it came down 61%. So even more than Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is a meme coin, came down 50%. Avalanche came down 61% here in the golden pocket. And I bought Avalanche at 25 bucks, 26 bucks, which it's at right now. I think this is a great coin. It's a gaming leader. And coming down here to the golden pocket, while at the same time that golden pocket being the bear market resistance. Look at that. I think there's a lot of confluence here that's telling me that, yeah, this is a good time to buy. I don't care how fearful the markets are. This is a great time to buy here as it's down 61%. Why do you want to buy when it's up 60% versus down 60%, right? And the question really is, do you believe this will recover? Do you believe in this coin long term? Well, I do. So that's why I prefer to buy it when it's down 60%, because you get more for your money. So yeah, I think it's a great deal. Honestly, Avalanche under that 0.5 Fibonacci, which is under $35, I think it's still a great deal. Okay, especially right now. And look, the lowest I see Avalanche dropping here, if we continue to crash, the lowest I see it dropping here is around $20. Okay, I'll be very surprised if Avalanche breaks $20, but the lowest I see it wicking down here is $20 if we continue this crash. But either way, I think right now is a great deal, not financial advice. So there you go. Thank you, Nizzo, for the rose. Thank you so much for the roses, bro. Let's check out some more coins. Yo, look at that. I just saw that right now. I just saw your comment right now, Radel. I think AVAX next level is 20. Exactly what I said. I think it, but again, it's not guaranteed, right? It's not, AVAX $20 is not guaranteed. And what a lot of mistake a lot of people do is that during the crash, right, we already crashed 61% for Avalanche. A lot of people get greedy and they're like, you know, I didn't buy any yet. I'm gonna start buying once we hit that $20 target. And then guess what happens? We come down to $23, $24, you know, $27, and we never touch it. And then boom, Avalanche is back at $40, $60, and you missed out. So you definitely you don't want to try to time the bottom. You want to kind of DCA, you know, down, average down. So, you know, that's just my opinion. But let's check out here for Fahad. He was asking for Chainlink, one of my favorite coins as well. And let's check it out. See how Chainlink's doing. So Chainlink, one of my favorite coins, coming back down here to the golden pocket, similar to Avalanche, right? A lot of coins coming down to the golden pocket. When I get exactly the bottom to the all-time high from last cycle, the golden pocket's right there for Chainlink, and we hit it for a third time. So I think this is a great opportunity. If you missed out on Chainlink, I mean, it wasn't too long ago that Chainlink was pumping, right? Chainlink, we bounced from the golden pocket all the way up to like $20, $19, and now we came back to the golden pocket. So Chainlink is just ping-ponging here, and it's basically doing the same thing that it did here during the bear market. We're just ping-ponging here between fib levels until eventually we're gonna break out. And I believe Chainlink it's going to eventually break out of this range here and do something like that, right? So as long as it's under that 0.5, even 0.38, I think it's a great deal. You know, under $17, I think it's a great deal, guys. Chainlink is one of the top coins here. As far as utility, all-time high was $53, but I believe Chainlink has everything to go to $100 plus this bull market cycle. So yeah, very bullish on Chainlink. I think right now it is a buy. Again, anything under that $17, $16, I think it's a great deal. So check out some more coins. You guys are killing it tonight. We got 74 viewers, 4,000 likes. We got people on YouTube, and man, you guys are killing it. Josh says, where are you seeing these comments? I'm seeing the comments on TikTok, because on TikTok is people commenting like every second. So Chainlink strong support at 12. Yeah, and that Chainlink strong support is exactly the golden pocket when we look at the Fibonacci. Anytime, Fahad. Big Landon says, tell me what do you think of Solana? I think Solana is great. I mean, I think I can't tell you Solana is going to eventually survive, right, long term. Could it die? Could it, you know? Yeah, anything's possible, especially when Solana has a lot of, you know, blackouts, you know, and it's not as secure as other blockchains. But Solana, you know, we know it's very VC invested. It's one of the most popular coins. And when you see a huge recovery, when you see one of the best recoveries from the bear market like this for Solana, it's a great thing to see for a coin, right? Because a lot of coins are, like I said, a lot of coins are still struggling down here or even over here. Meanwhile, Solana has a very strong bullish chart. This is one of the most bullish charts here, along with Ethereum. And I said this already, I would not be surprised if Solana breaks all-time highs before Ethereum. Right? I think it's still very well possible. But we shall see. But either way, very strong chart. And, you know, I would not be like, okay, I'm going to wait till Solana comes down here to $69. Because I just feel it's too strong for it to have that big drop. I would have to see Bitcoin go into the lower 50s, you know, 55K or something like that for Solana to have that big, massive drop. So ETH potential double bottom on the daily chart. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. On the daily chart, right? You said. Yeah, looks very much like a double bottom, right? We can see right here this two beautiful wicks, right, being bought up right here. Boom, boom, right? This could be the start of the next uptrend, but we're probably gonna stop here and then kind of range, right? I would expect us to pump here and then kind of range before breaking up to the next upside. So that's what I see here on the daily for Ethereum. So you might see 3,600 Ethereum very soon, maybe even tomorrow, especially with all the good news regarding the SEC not coming after Ethereum as a security. So yeah. Sandy Lamb says, is Dogecoin gonna go up? Great question by Sandy. Solana's doing well because of all the memes on the network. Definitely not going that low. Yeah, that's another big reason for Solana doing well. There's a lot of action going on. And I'll check out XLM. So Sandy, to answer your question, Dogecoin is one of my most bullish coins, and you know, if you're looking for hopium on Dogecoin, I'll give you it right here. Right, this is Dogecoin, and it's doing something very similar to what it did right here back in 2019, 2020, before it did this, right, which was a parabolic move up. And it's basically, we're forming like a rounded bottom, very similar here, right? We could do something like that, which would be exactly what we did right there. So basically for the next coming weeks or months, it's going to be very boring for Dogecoin in the markets, to be honest. And we're slowly going to be flat and, you know, kind of create like a curved bottom here and then start to work our way up to the upside. So that's what I believe is going to happen. But yeah, I think Dogecoin has everything to break all-time highs, especially when we are basically here in the bear market resistance. It's going to try to flip that bear market resistance. Okay, so I think a great buy for Dogecoin is like in 2 weeks, right? So let's say wait 2 weeks. If Dogecoin is still in this level right here, I think that would be a good time to buy, right? Because most likely it's going to hold it and then go up. If you wait 2 weeks and Dogecoin is like down here at 8 cents, might not be a good time, right? That's going to be a big sign of weakness here as we're back in the bear market territory. So that 9 cent, 10 cent price for Dogecoin is key, in my opinion. That is the key price right there for Dogecoin to hold. Edwin says, I'm all in on HBAR. Really? You're all in on HBAR? So is that like the only altcoin you hold? Do you like ICP? A little. I mean, I have a little bit of ICP. Not a lot, but you know, I heard a lot of good things about ICP. It's just not one of my top holdings. Don't forget XLM. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Thank you for the follows, Sandy and Care. Thank you for all the follows, guys. By the way, if you guys are new to me, I have a free Telegram and Discord, 100% free, no tiers or any of that. And you can join in the link tree. So definitely join if you're looking for like a crypto community, a free crypto community, right? Because I know, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are annoyed with like paid groups and stuff like that. And that's why I made mine 100% free. So definitely join if you guys are interested. Yeah, so let's take a look here at XLM. And hold up. Thank you for the follows. You guys are killing it. Appreciate it, man. Like watching your lives. Draven, thank you so much. And also, guys, very soon, I don't know when I'm starting this, maybe tomorrow, I'm gonna start having small giveaways for each live, just to give back, because you guys are awesome. But I'm gonna start having like small giveaways, I'm gonna pick them out during the live stream. So you know, that's gonna be really fun, and it's all gonna be in crypto. So I'm gonna be starting that very, very soon. maybe tomorrow. So looking at XLM. So XLM, you know, a lot of people talk down on XLM and XRP because it hasn't really reacted like the other altcoins, but it's still not completely bearish, right? If it was bearish, it would look something like this. If XLM and XRP was bearish, we would be something like this. That would be very bearish. So if you see XLM do something like that, I don't know. I would be very cautious. But it's not yet, right? It's previous low here. It's all-time, its bottom right here for this bear market cycle was basically 7 cents. 7 cents, right? So what XLM needs to do here, and what I believe it will do, is eventually it's gonna find a higher low here from 7 cents in 2022, and then that's gonna be the pivot where it starts to work its way up here to the upside. Okay, could it be right here at 9 cents? It could be 9 cents, 8 cents, but that's what I believe will happen. Of course, if it survives, right? But yeah, I think it's a great time to buy. Let me pull a Fibonacci here on it just to check it out here on the Fibonacci. Let's see right here. And yeah, look, Fibonacci, we can see right here we got 2 clear rejections at the golden pocket perfectly, and it needs to create a higher low from the previous low so it can, you know, continue this long-term uptrend. If it doesn't, if we come down here back to that 7 cents and we break it, then I don't know. There's definitely something wrong with the project with XLM. So until that happens, I think it's a great time to buy. Double tap the screen, man. I'll show you appreciate it. Let's get it to 10K. Draven, thank you so much for the support, man. Thank you all you guys that double tap the screen. We're almost at 10K, 7K at the moment. That's great, Edwin. Sammy asked for Brett. I got you, Sammy. I'll be more diversified next bull run. No, yeah, it's all good. You know, a lot of people have only 3 coins, 5 coins. So, bro, check out FET. I'll check it out. Let's check out Brett here, because I know he's been asking for Brett for a while. So let's check out Brett. By the way, I have a video on Brett. Definitely check it out if you like it. But basically, Brett, I think Brett's very bullish. The reason, look, I think right now, this is a great opportunity to buy Brett as it comes down. If you didn't know, before we had this big dump, Brett was pumping like crazy. So Brett broke, you know, it's April high, right? Or basically March high, basically when it was launched, I guess. It broke it, and then it didn't just break it, but it basically 2x'd. Okay? And then what happened is we started getting this dump, and that, in my opinion, cut off Brett's pump very shortly. And now it's been dumping with the markets. So if you missed out on Brett, I think this dump is a great thing for people that missed out on Brett, for them to get on Brett. And I honestly, when we came down here to 12 cents, I definitely bought some, because I was one that missed out on Brett when it was down here at 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents. So I believe what's gonna happen is it's probably gonna do something where it probably will continue to dump or come down lower just a tad bit, maybe even to that high right there, right, of April. And then basically it's going to flip that and then create a higher high. That's what I see happening for Brett, which is kind of like what Pepe did and a lot of meme coins did. Bonk as well. So again, it's all about being patient. You don't have to go all in at this price. You just buy a little chunks here and there, you know, especially as it comes down. So, but long term, I believe Brett has everything to do well. Especially as it's, you know, top 100 now, ranked 61. It's not like Brett's ranked 300 or 400 or something like that. It's the latest meme coin to come into the top 100, and it's ranked 61. So definitely very bullish. And I believe, did it pass Bonk? No, it's close to passing Bonk. Bonk's 58. So it's a retest, will go up. Yeah, it's definitely a retest in my opinion too. So I love Brett. Bought in around April. Wow, you must have bought when it was really low then. That's great. What made you buy Brett? Was it just it being on base chain? Everything pumping. Solana hit 128 today, and it is back to 140 now. Wow, look at that. I didn't even see that for Solana. So Solana dumped down to 128, and now it's back to 140. So that's great. It's great to see the markets, you know, have this type of reaction. We see Lido up 23%, Render up 8%, and Beam, right? It kind of shows you what a lot of coins are being bought up at these prices. And I'll share with you guys some of the coins I've been buying, that I bought today, that I bought yesterday. Avalanche was one of them. Where's the Avalanche? I don't even see it here in the top 100. It's probably like really small because it's not up a ton. Yeah, it's only up 2%. So I bought Avalanche. I bought Dogecoin. I bought Brett. I bought a little bit of Brett. I bought a little bit of VeChain, HBAR. So I've been buying a lot of coins. Chainlink as well. I did buy some Chainlink. So Ondo's another one. Ondo's up 9%. I'm pretty sure Smart Money's buying up Ondo too. Bro, do you see ICP bouncing back? If so, what price? Let's check it out. Let's check out ICP, since a lot of you guys like ICP. We'll check it out and see how it's doing. So yeah, ICP did dump a lot right on this dump. And just to show you here, ICP came down already. ICP already came down 63%. So it's kind of similar to Avalanche. Avalanche, from reaching the high here, came down 61%. ICP 63%. And to be honest, when ICP was pumping, in my opinion, it stopped pumping because the market started to dump, because Bitcoin started to dump. And then that cut ICP's pump short. But if Bitcoin didn't start to dump, right, ICP may have pumped even higher here to possibly $26 or so. So, you know, this is a great thing if you're bullish on ICP long term. The good news here is that ICP has shown some life, right, from the bear market territory. And look, all we're doing now is we're at that bear market resistance to flip it as support. Okay, so yes, there's a lot of fear in the markets. Yes, we dumped down 60%, but ask yourself, would I rather buy at 60% down or at 60% up? And on top of that, you know, would I rather buy it when it's retesting that bear market resistance level, or creating, you know, new highs here ever since 2022, 2021? So, you know, these are questions you gotta ask yourself. And really the main thing is, do you have conviction this coin is gonna survive? And a lot of that plays in with fundamentals, what the coin's about. But I think right now is a great time to buy ICP. Yeah, it can very well bounce, especially because we're at that point of control, that resistance right there. You see that? If ICP is gonna bounce, it would have to be right now. Okay, if it has to bounce, it would have to be right here. Okay, right here where it's at right now. You see that? So if it doesn't, then we're probably, I don't know, there's something wrong with ICP fundamentally. So just my opinion. But there's a lot of coins that are great buying prices right now. A lot of coins are at amazing buying prices based on the charts. But yeah. Jasmy charts, please. After the recent breakout, I see 10 cents soon based on the breakout. Yeah, let's check it out. Check out Fetch, please. Thank you for the roses, Nizzo. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate it. So I don't really have a price prediction on ICP because, you know, when it got launched, it was at crazy high prices and then it just stumped down and down and down. So it's kind of, I would have to look at the tokenomics. But I'll keep you updated. I'll keep you updated for sure. So let's check out Fet here because he's been asking for a while, and then we'll check out the other coins you guys got. So Fetch.ai. Yeah. Honestly, wow. I think it's at an amazing price right now. Fetch.ai is an amazing price right now because it's kind of doing what Render's doing too, right? It's all-time high here back in 2021 is exactly where it's at right now. Look at that. So Fetch.ai's all-time high is exactly where it's at right now. It came back to retest it as support. You see that? So I think this is very bullish here for Fetch. If it can hold this level, and I believe it will, to be honest. There's a lot of hype behind this coin being an AI coin. So I think right now is a great deal if you missed out on Fetch. Because you got to understand, look, look at this. We broke right through that all-time high in 2021. And guess what's happening? Usually we always come back down for a retest to then bounce off later. And look, ever since bottoming out here in 2022, Fetch has just been putting in higher lows after higher lows, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be another higher low. So you don't want to, why would you want to fight against the trend, right? Why would you think Fetch is going to do something like that when it's just been going high, you know, creating higher lows and higher highs the last, you know, 2 years or so. So very bullish chart in my opinion, and based on it, I think it's a great time to buy now. Not financial advice on Fetch. Lewis, do you know which coins are recovering the fastest after we have dumps? To be honest, let me see here. You know, I honestly don't know. I think the best ways to see here on Crypto Bubbles or even CoinMarketCap. But let me see here if I can tell you based on my charts, on my watch list. You know, I would say one of them is definitely Render. Render has, you know, definitely good recovery. Ondo too. So Render, Ondo. Let me see other ones here. Let's see. Even like Pepe too. But Ethereum as well. So Ethereum, BNB, Solana's another one. So those are, you know, those are the main coins that have been bouncing off every time we get a big dump. Yeah, me too. I think Render's a great price. I mean, it's literally all-time highs from 2021, so it's probably gonna hold that. Rado asked for Jasmy. Yeah, I got you, Rado. And Ochoa asked for Eos. Let's do Jasmy and Eos. Let's do Jasmy here first. So I told you last streams, right? I told you if Jasmy can break out of this range, then it's looking very bullish. And that's what it did. Now, you know, what Jasmy could do is we can slowly come down here to the top, to the high of that range, right? To the range high, and then create a higher low and have the next leg up. So this can take a couple weeks for this to play out, but it's something that I see here happening for Jasmy. So if you see Jasmy continuing to dump here to as low as 0.21 or 0.23, don't be scared. You know, it's coming back down here to that range high to basically bounce off very soon. So I'm bullish on Jasmy. I think the chart looks really good. And yeah, I mean, I would say its next target here is 10 cents. Yeah, I know someone called it, but yeah, 10 cents Jasmy I can see happening very soon. So there you go. Let's check out some more coins you guys got. Carlito says, what are your thoughts on Bone? Basically, that's another coin I bought a little bit of too on the stump. I like Bone because I like Shiba Inu. If you hold Shiba Inu, then you should hold Bone too. And the reason why is because Bone is part of Shiba Inu's ecosystem. So if you think Shiba's gonna do well, Bone is gonna follow it, and Bone is gonna give you more gainers because it's much lower cap. Okay. But again, it's very low cap. Even Shiba Inu is very risky, so do your research. But just know if you hold Shiba and look into Bone, look into Leash, especially Bone. So I got EOS right here. Don't worry, I got EOS. I'm trying to find the best chart here for EOS. This is the best chart. There we go. So this is EOS, had one of the best recoveries here during the bear market, and now EOS is finally experiencing its first decent dump, right? Because the last dump here, well, it wasn't really a dump. It was just two red candles here that we had on the monthly. It was back here in 2023, and since then we just exploded. And now EOS is having its first decent dump. And to be honest, you know, are we gonna keep dumping here for EOS? That's the question. You know, and EOS has a very strong chart, so don't get too greedy here. But you know, I could see, I think the lowest we can see EOS going is around 35 to 31 cents or so, which would be near that 0.38. So this is my target right here for EOS. If you want to note that, around 35 cents I think is a great deal if we can dump down there, right? I think this will happen if Bitcoin and the markets keep coming down. Right, we'll do something like that to eventually create the higher low that we need here to continue to this upside. So that's what I see for EOS, 35 cents if the markets keep dumping. Yeah. Anytime, Rado. Anytime. But I'm bullish on EOS. Hey, what's up, Diamond? How you doing, bro? What time frame is good to use? Thanks in advance. Well, it depends what type of trader you are, right? If you're a swing trader, then daily, weekly is great. If you're a scalp trader, day trader, then obviously you want to look at the 5 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, even daily. And then for looking for long term, right, the monthly is great as well, which I use a lot. So, but I would say, you know, daily, weekly, and monthly I think are great. Daily, weekly, and monthly. And then here and there you can look at the 4 hour. Thank you, Sammy. Thank you for the likes. We got 11,000 likes. You guys are killing it. And hey guys, for a lot of you guys that are new here, I have a free Telegram and free Discord. No tiers. There's only one tier, and it's the free tier. So definitely join in the link tree. Probably starting tomorrow, or probably starting next stream, I'm gonna start having like small giveaways for crypto that I pick out during the live stream. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. I definitely want to do that to give back. Thank you so much, Carlitos. Thank you for the bolts. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Bro, your channel is solid. Front Trend, thank you, man. Thank you so much, man. That really means a lot. That really means a lot. And look, if you like, follow me on YouTube too. I bring you long form videos on YouTube as well. All crypto too. Well, this is Crypto Bubbles. The platform I'm using is TradingView, which is also an app. It's called TradingView, and it's free to use. You can look at all the cryptos on all exchanges. So definitely check it out. It's free. Guys, been killing it. Thank you guys so much for the gifts, for the roses. Rosa, thank you so much for the rose. But I'm gonna give you guys here my recap of the market, because I know there's a lot of fear, and I believe the fear and greed index is at what is it at? I believe it's still at neutral, but I think we're gonna probably hit fear very soon here if the market's continuing to be like this. Yeah, look, the fear and greed index, guys, is at neutral. But honestly, I believe before we start to work our way back up, we might come down here to the orange, and that once we come here to the orange, like right here, which I believe once this, you know, refreshes, we're probably gonna be like around here somewhere. Once we get to right here, I think that probably will be the bottom, and once we start to pivot to the upside, to the bull run. So that's what I believe is happening. But just remember, usually when there's the most fear in the markets, that's when you want to buy, and you want to invest in projects that you believe in, right? So I just shared a bunch of coins with you guys today that I honestly said were great deals, were great prices to buy, and I've been doing what I said. I've been buying, and I'm thinking back down to 64K. What's up, Heather? Thanks for coming to the live stream. So Dual, thank you for following me on all platforms, man. Thank you so much, bro. HBAR thoughts. You want me to check out HBAR? I do hold some HBAR. In fact, I missed out on HBAR, but in the last 4 months, I was able to buy a good amount of HBAR that I'm happy with for my portfolio. So I did reach my HBAR goals, and I'm happy about that. So I'm pretty good. I'm pretty set on HBAR. Yeah, look, HBAR. Right, we had that pump and dump here when we had like that BlackRock announcement that wasn't true, and now HBAR came down here. We wicked down here to that near that 0.78, and I think it's a great time to buy too. I think you can see right here. I think this is probably the bottom here for HBAR, as it's at the bear market resistance. We'll probably stay flat here, maybe come down a little bit more. Get more people fearful to panic sell, and then after a week or two or a month, we'll slowly work our way up. We never pump up like that. It's slowly up, and then we start to move up fast. So that's what I see here for HBAR. But basically, any price under 9 cents, 10 cents, I think it's a great deal, to be honest. HBAR has came down here 60% already, so we're down 60%. So yeah, anytime. Look, I'm gonna give you guys here my market recap, which I do share in the Telegram for free. So in the Telegram, I do like coin recaps, market recaps, so you guys can see right here. See, like right here, I share my thoughts on the market, what I'm thinking. A lot of you guys share memes, which is great. But honestly, guys, like I think Bitcoin is actually continuing that pattern as 2018, 2017. right? So I don't know if you know this, but back in 2018, right? 2017, 2018, or like 2017, when Bitcoin started pumping and altcoins started pumping, and Bitcoin came down just a tad bit, altcoins dumped down 70%, 50%, just like what's happening now, while Bitcoin was holding up pretty well. It's so similar, right? Everyone's saying, oh, it's different, you know, they never seen this before, but it's so similar. If you go here back in time, when altcoins dumped down 50 to 70% after pumping with Bitcoin. And I believe the reason why that happens is because Bitcoin dominance has to go up. And the thing is, for Bitcoin dominance, there's two ways Bitcoin dominance can go up. The first way is Bitcoin obviously outperforming other altcoins. And then the second way is what's happening now, is Bitcoin staying flat with altcoins dumping. You see? Both ways Bitcoin dominance will go up. And if we check Bitcoin dominance right here, you will see that BTC.D, look at that, right? We just been up. We just been in this aggressive uptrend here. And I believe it's going to continue up. We might have, you know, this is what I believe is going to happen, right? Bitcoin's going to make the first move. So when Bitcoin makes the first move, it's going to do something like that, right? We're going to have some big move like that on Bitcoin dominance. And I believe Bitcoin is basically going to start moving like an altcoin before altcoins start moving like an altcoin, right? And once that happens, that's going to be your signal that altcoins are going to start moving very soon, because all the profits, not all the profits, but a good amount of profits are going to slowly come from Bitcoin to Ethereum to a lot of altcoins. And that's when you're going to start to see the markets flip. But just remember, Bitcoin's going to move first, and Bitcoin dominance is going to go up first. And that's basically, we already have Bitcoin dominance going up. Now we're waiting, right? We're watching Bitcoin to go up, and it's going to move fast. It's going to surprise a lot of people, you know, when they see Bitcoin at 80K, 90K in a very fast market. I thought we got a drop on dominance. No, Bitcoin dominance it did not get a drop. You can see right, this is Bitcoin dominance chart. You can see like Bitcoin dominance has just been in this uptrend, right? And you can see right here on the monthly, like this is on the monthly candle for Bitcoin dominance. That is a really nice green candle. So Bitcoin dominance on the monthly has just been like that. So yeah. Can we get a double bottom for 60K? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I would say it's hard. I would say it would take a lot for Bitcoin to break 63K. But yeah, I would say 63K is very hard for it to break, but it's possible. And honestly, like if we break 63K, I believe we'll probably break 60K too. Just my opinion. But yeah, you know, we could catch we might have something like this, right? Which would basically be like a double bottom here around 60K. But I would watch that 63K first. I think that's really the support, the most important support here for Bitcoin. Which it basically almost went to 64K and had a nice bounce. So thank you for the follows. You guys are killing it tonight, guys. Thank you guys so much. I'm happy I don't have work tomorrow. But yeah, guys, I'm super bullish on the markets. The sentiment It's very fearful right now. Don't let the sentiment get to you. I know a lot of coins are down a lot, but I think the main thing is if you're invested in a coin that you believe in, then this is a great time to buy. 20.4k. Thank you so much, Summer. Thank you so much. We got 20.4k followers now. Wow. We just had 19k like a month ago. We were at 20.4k. Thank you so much for the reminder. Great advice, Sir Lewis. Anytime, Sammy. Anytime. And that's the thing, like, right now, here's the thing when it comes to buying during fearful times, right? If you're still buying an altcoin that is still a bear market territory, I'll be cautious. And what I mean by that is I don't want to talk down on certain coins here, but let's take Algorand for example. If I could find it. Yeah, let's take Algorand for example. So let's say, or even VRA, right? But let's say like Algorand, or there's other coins too. But let's say you're still like buying this coin that's still in bear market territory, and really not showing a lot of life. I'll be very cautious because we don't, the chances of that coin surviving versus other coins that look way better is very, very, very low, right? Meanwhile, you compare this chart to, for example, Solana or Chainlink. Look at that, Chainlink's chart, or Ethereum's chart. Obviously, the chart looks way different, right? For example, you get VRA, so this is VRA, and look at that, look at VRA, right? VRA, we did have a nice bounce here from the bear market territory, but we're right back into it. So you got to be very cautious if you're investing in coins that look like this based on the chart. This is why charts matter, and anyone that would say to you charts don't matter, charts matter because it gives you an illustration if that coin is bullish or bearish, and this coin is bearish. I don't care how good the fundamentals sound, I don't care what's going on. There's a motto, there's a quote that people say, which is show me the chart and I'll tell you the fundamentals, right? So you can tell if a coin has good fundamentals based on the chart. Chainlink is one of them. I mean, Chainlink, you can see Chainlink has a great structure here, right? Where we range here during the entire bear market, huge recovery, and now we're just ranging again. And this coin has great fundamentals, and based on the chart, you can see why. So yeah, just remember that. How do you lose money on trading? I don't understand. Well, you lose money if you sell after buying from a higher price, right? So let's say you buy Bitcoin at 65k, Bitcoin goes to 60k, and you sell, then you lose money. Yes, numbers don't lie. Exactly what Joel said. Thank you for sharing the lives too, guys. You guys are killing it tonight. I believe Bitcoin will hit around 52,300. Just my thought and opinion. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, I talked about 52k before. Very well possible. And look, I think the lowest Bitcoin could come down to is 48k, if it even comes down there. But if we do have a big crash, I think 48k is really the lowest I see it going. I think best move is DCA from 63k. Yeah. DCA into your favorite altcoins that you believe in. And I'm gonna give you guys here a recap. I love doing this, by the way. I do this all the time where I have crypto bubbles or I have coin market cap, and I'm looking here on the weekly or the monthly. And what I do is I look at my watch list and I look at the coins that are down the most. And the coins that are down the most that's on my watch list, those are the coins that I buy. right? For example, Theta. I've been buying Theta. It's one of the coins on my watch list. It's down 18% on the weekly, right? On the monthly, it's down 31% on the monthly. So this gives me a good perspective on what coins in my watch list are down the most. Because if they're on my watch list, I believe in them long term. And if they're down the most, right, that gives me the biggest discount right now to buy them. Rune is another one. Rune, if you missed out on Rune, well, it's down 37%, right, on the monthly. Render is down 23% still on the monthly. So if you're still looking to get more render, well, it's down 23% on the monthly. I think that's pretty good. We come here to the weekly again. AVAX down 14%. ICP is down 18%. So the thing too, guys, with investing is you don't want to get greedy. What happens during a crash like this is, you know, you see a crash like this happen and you're like, okay, I think it could crash more. While, you know, you've been waiting to buy ICP, you're like, okay, I think it could crash more while it's down like 20%. And then what happens? It's up the next 3 days and you missed out on that opportunity. So you don't want to always get greedy and wait for a even lower crash. You want to DCA in, especially when it's down like this on the weekly, right? So yeah, I love his lives, but I can never get my questions asked. Well, Calvin, right? Yeah, he gets a lot of people on his lives. But yeah, Gala's down 19%. I'm gonna share some of the coins here that are down that maybe you guys are interested in. Chili's is down 30%, right over here. Right, Wildcoin is down 24%. Engine, is this Engine? No, this is Injective. Down 24%. Oh yeah, one of the coins too that I did buy, I finally got a decent position in, is the Graph GRT. I finally, like 2 months ago, I didn't have any GRT. I was smart enough to wait for this nice crash. And instead of buying GRT at 50 cents, I was able to get it at 20 cents, 23 cents. So really happy about that. So GRT. Yosef, yeah, charts don't lie. Thank you, Yosef. I want to invest, but I know it's kind of a bullish market. What do you mean, Joel? What do you mean you think it's kind of a bullish market? Why is that stopping you from investing? Carlito says, when it's down, let's say on the weekly 20%, what will be the average gain up? What do you mean by that? What do you mean gain up? Like render's down 23% on the, oh, you mean on the weekly, right? I know it's going to go up, but I just don't know what to invest in. Yeah, I know what you're saying, Joe. I know what you're saying. You know, what I would do is I will look at some of the coins that you have conviction in fundamentally. So I think what you need to do is you need to research coins fundamentally, right? I'll give you a great example. I bought Avalanche because I researched Avalanche fundamentally, and I think it's a great project fundamentally. It's a leader in the crypto gaming space, and you know, it's been growing a lot fundamentally, so that's why I invested in Avalanche, and that gives me conviction to buy it, to hold it long term, right? Chainlink is another one. I'm super bullish on Chainlink fundamentally as a utility coin, so that's why I bought Chainlink even at $14. I think Chainlink has everything to go to $100 plus. So that's what I would say to you. I would research coins, watch videos on coins so you can learn about them, and the coins that you're bullish on, those are coins you want to look into. And look, I'll share a coin here with you guys that is super underrated. This coin is super, no one's talking about this coin. Meanwhile, it made it into the top 10 and it's been holding in the top 10 for a while. And it's this coin right here, Toncoin. Toncoin. No one talks about Toncoin, but I'm telling you guys about it right now. This is a very bullish coin because this is a coin based on Telegram, which has millions and millions and millions of global users. Okay, it's a true utility coin. And Toncoin, it was one of the recent coins that just came into the top 10, surpassing Cardano and even Shiba Inu, coming to the top 10, and it's been growing since. And it doesn't get a lot of, you know, talk. I don't know why, but I barely hear people talk about it on YouTube or on TikTok. But I would research Toncoin, for sure. Yeah. Ton has memes, right? Yeah, I think Toncoin has an ecosystem where there are meme coins on Toncoin, and I think they have also games too. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on regarding Toncoin's ecosystem. I would definitely look into it. Speaking about ecosystem, I'm uploading videos on YouTube on how you guys can position yourselves for the biggest opportunity since Solana. Okay, and I'm gonna share with you guys here what it is. If you missed out on Solana, if you missed out on Base, and I'm talking about like the meme coins on Solana and on Base, right? Which Base is still fairly new. But let's say you can go back in time and invest in, you know, meme coins on Solana like Bonk and Whiff and other meme coins that blew up. Well, don't miss out on this, because I'm gonna be bringing you guys here YouTube videos and TikTok on Kaspa smart contracts, KRC20, coming this month. Okay, do not miss out on this. Research Kaspa. Basically, Kaspa, which is a rank 25. It's ranked 26 right now. Ranked 26 coin. One of the biggest gainers since the bear market in 2022 is finally coming out with smart contracts, which are going to be called KRC20s right here this month, with a lot of coins launching. Right, you have meme coins, you have utility coins. But this is going to be an ecosystem on Kaspa that anyone can get into, right? You're early on this. It still hasn't launched. It's going to be this month, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on it. But I believe this is a super, super huge opportunity since Solana, because this is not like some rank 300 coin launching an ecosystem, right? It's not like Kaspa is like ranked 300, 200 market cap. It's ranked 26 market cap, guys. Ranked 26 without being on Coinbase, without being on Binance. The two biggest exchanges that Kaspa is on is KuCoin and Uphold, which in my opinion aren't even that, you know, aren't that big compared to Coinbase or Binance. So in my opinion, this is huge, and there's going to be a lot of coins that fair launch. Just like Kaspa fair launched, a lot of coins are going to follow what Kaspa did, which is a fair launch, and they're going to have a fair launch on Kaspa. And I'm going to keep, if you guys want like the 8-minute video on how to prepare yourself for this, because there are steps to this, and how you can buy these upcoming coins on Kaspa, launching on Kaspa. Follow me on YouTube, because I'll be bringing you guys updates in the next coming days. But basically, you want to get the Kaspa hot wallet, which is called Kasware. I think I have it right here. Yeah, Kasware wallet. And then you want to send Kaspa to that wallet from either Mexi, Uphold, KuCoin. And then from there, that's how you're going to be able to invest in the Kaspa ecosystem when it launches this month in June. So you do not want to sleep on this, because if I know one thing, I'm pretty sure there's going to be at least one meme coin that blows up on this. Okay, just like we had Brett on Base, and we have a bunch of meme coins on Solana. There's gonna be at least 1 or 2 meme coins that blow up, let alone other coins like utility coins on Kaspa, because I think Kaspa is gonna be very well successful. So with Kaspa being successful, well, that means the meme coins on Kaspa is gonna be successful too, right? Well, not the meme coins, but like a good amount of coins on Kaspa. Just like, for example, Solana is successful, and we have Render that transitioned to Solana. We have Bonk, we have Whiff, you know, and other Solana coins that have been doing well. So yeah, just been I just wanted to share that with you guys. But yeah, it's still not out, it's still not launched. It's gonna be this month. Fascinating YouTube video, The Legendary Treasure of Satoshi Nakamoto. Oh, that's interesting. I'll definitely watch that. I'll definitely check that out. But don't miss it out, guys. Hedgie, never heard of Hedgie. I appreciate all your input. I'm looking forward to buying in. Anytime, Joel. And look, yeah, look, if you ever have questions on like certain coins or things like that, just ask it in the Telegram or Discord. I created a free Telegram in Discord because, you know, there's people that don't like Telegram and prefer Discord, and there's people that don't like Discord and prefer Telegram. But yeah, the main thing is, you know, you want to research the coins and build up your conviction. I think this is what helped me, even for like Kaspa. Like, I didn't know anything about Kaspa, but once I researched it, I was like, wow, I'm super bullish on this coin, and I started buying it. I started accumulating it, and that goes for every coin. And there's coins that I researched, and I was like, no, I'm not bullish on this coin, and I didn't buy them. So you want to use your logic, your good research, which involves looking at the tokenomics, which involves looking at their plans on what they're doing, their development. So, you know, it is a lot of work, but that's why, you know, there's a lot of good videos out there that makes it a lot easier if you're if you learn better by hearing or watching visually. So thoughts on Ondo SL. Thanks for calling me SL. But yeah, my thoughts on Ondo. I think Ondo's very bullish, especially being backed by Coinbase. Ondo, one of the leaders in the RWA sectors. We can see right here, ever since Ondo was launched, it's just been in this beautiful uptrend. And it hasn't, like, compared to other altcoins, on this dump, I mean, it really hasn't dumped crazy, right? It compared to the other altcoins, Ondo's been holding up pretty well here around 120. It's, you know, even the dump here back in April was worse. So Ondo's been holding up pretty well, and especially since it actually wicked down here to the top here in April. You see Ondo, it wicked down here exactly to where it dumped here back in April, and we got a nice bounce off of that. So these are all signs that smart money is buying this coin. I'm pretty sure whales are buying this coin, seeing a chart like this, and it's very bullish for sure. So yeah. Anytime, Joel. Thank you, bro. Thank you for being on here. Yes, the wallet is out. Yes, so the wallet regarding Kaspa, Kasware, just make sure, Yosef, just make sure you get it from the right site, because there's a lot of scam sites out there that impersonate hot wallets. I'm gonna upload a video tomorrow, so if you want to wait till tomorrow, I'm gonna upload a video on it, and in my description I have the official website, or you can like research it yourself. But it is out. The Kasware wallet is out, and if you do get it, I recommend getting the 24-word seed phrase. You get the option of 12-word or 24 words. Just get the 24-word and make sure you write it down. Rogo says, please, Ada. Wanted me to check out Ada. Man, guys, we got 17,000 likes, 89 people. You guys are killing it tonight. Thank you guys so much. And let's check out Ada here. Hopefully, I don't lose any viewers here for checking out Ada. But yeah, let's check out Cardano. You know, a coin with a lot of community. But yeah, you know, Cardano, we see here Cardano, it's at a crucial level, right? I mean, if there is a place Cardano bounces off from, it's right here. Right, I mean, this is the back here, back in 2023, we got rejected here during the bear market. And then we broke right through it, which is a great sign. That's a good sign right there for Cardano. We broke right through that bear market resistance. And now on the stump, we're coming back down here to basically flip it as support to then move our way up. So, yeah, I think Cardano's at a buy right now. Not financial advice. But, again, guys, I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you if Cardano will survive fundamentally, right? I don't know if it will survive fundamentally, but if it does, I believe this is probably the bottom. Okay, I believe this is probably the bottom here for Cardano. But again, it could stay here for a couple weeks where we can go back to 45 cents and then 2 weeks later come back down here to 38 cents and then boom, that'll be the bottom. It could do something like that. But I think under 40 cents is a great deal for Cardano, especially when you zoom out, you look at something like that. So yeah, doesn't look bad. Do we buy the boring? What do you mean by that, Sammy? What do you mean, do we buy the boring? Boring what? Thanks a lot, man. Anytime, Rogo. Anytime, bro. And here's the thing, too. For Rogo and anyone buying Cardano, if you're buying Cardano, if you're buying Solana, if you're buying Ethereum, you know, and you're holding it, please stake it. And don't just stake it on a centralized exchange like Coinbase, which offers staking, or like, you know, other centralized exchanges. Stake it natively. Take an hour of your day or 30 minutes and watch a video on how to stake a coin natively in your cold storage wallet and stake it. Because when you stake it, you're earning more of it passively, right? A lot of people do a mistake where they hold Cardano or they hold Ethereum or Solana in a centralized exchange and they're earning nothing on it. They've been holding it for months, years, and they're not staking it. They're not earning anything passively. So, if you're planning on holding it for a while, just stake it. Just my opinion. Like ADA, XRP. Yeah. You know, definitely. I'm definitely pro on buying the boring price action, even XRP, Cardano, right? You want to buy. Because look, it's not like XRP or Cardano is bearish based on the chart. XRP is not 100% bearish, or Cardano either. They're just moving very boring, just like Sammy said. But fundamentally, they really haven't changed. In fact, XRP has been growing fundamentally. And yeah. What are your thoughts on AVAX? I'm very bullish on AVAX. It's actually a coin I bought today and yesterday. The reason why I'm bullish on AVAX is because, in my opinion, it's a very underrated coin that can easily come into the top 10. Being a leader in the crypto gaming sector, which I think it's going to keep being a leader in the crypto gaming sector as a layer 1. And it has a lot of big partnerships. It's growing a lot fundamentally. So I can eventually see AVAX possibly get number 10, maybe even number 9. So very bullish on AVAX. Yeah, I just started staking some ETH, especially with ETFs coming live in a few weeks. Yeah, the ETF's going live, I believe, in July, right? Beginning of July. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. Hopefully there's no delays. But man, if we get the ETFs to go live on Ethereum, we're probably going to get like a sell-off, just like we do with Bitcoin. But I can bet you after maybe a week or two or a month even, we might start to see a lot of coins start to go up a lot. Ethereum first, of course, and then a lot of altcoins start to move. And you're going to see a lot of coins on the ETH ecosystem start to move, right? Like ENS, which is already up 38%. Like you can see why ENS is up 38%, right? Or Lido Finance, right? Uniswap is up 13%. So these all coins are on ETH. You're gonna see probably Shiba go up, Pepe. So Parka on YouTube says, I'm looking at grabbing Avalanche at $15. Technicals looking bearish everywhere. I'm thinking this time may be different. BTCD with ETF may not create that trickling effect. Yeah. So I'm gonna actually show you right here, Parka. I don't think you were here in the beginning of the stream when I covered AVAX, but I'm gonna show you right here again for AVAX, for a lot of guys asking for AVAX. I would say trying to buy AVAX at $15 is a bit much. Okay, this is AVAX. Okay, and right, we can see right here. You can see why I bought, right? I bought here right exactly in the golden pocket, $25. Exactly in the golden pocket here for AVAX. So this might be AVAX bottom. I'm not gonna lie to you, $25. This might be the bottom right here. Then we start to slowly work our way up. Or the lowest I see AVAX coming down if the markets continue. The lowest I see it coming down is here around $20 to $19. Possibly $20, because that was our bear market resistance, right? $19 to $20, which is slightly under the golden pocket. Now again, AVAX might not come down here ever again, but if Bitcoin breaks 63k, breaks 60k, breaks 56k or so, then yeah, we might see it break $20 at AVAX and come down to your target of $15, which is exactly at that 0.78. You see right there? So that's very well possible, but again, you're asking for a lot, right? You're asking for Bitcoin to break all these key support levels, and which might not happen. So it's all about buying chunks, DCA, and DCA and pray, right? That's what a lot of guys are doing right now. DCA and pray. Wow, we got over 108 viewers. Man, let's go. Thank you guys so much. You guys are killing it. 18,000 likes, 108 viewers. I just want to say, guys, thank you guys so much. When I started live streaming, it was back in the bear market in 2022. And when I started streaming, you can imagine how it is during the bear market. Not a lot of people, right? I had like 10 viewers, 20 viewers sometimes. And I never gave up. I kept streaming. And here we are, over 100 people. And, I'm going to keep streaming till, I'm going to keep streaming during the bull market, during the next bear market. And heck, we might get over 11,000, not 11,000, 1,000 people. And maybe once we get to 1,000 people, that might be the bull market top, right? I'm pretty sure. I know it's crazy, but I'm going to be using the viewerships as a signal for the top. But hey, I mean, a couple months back ago, I believe that reached over 200 to 300 viewers. So it is really accurate, because back in March or April, March, when Bitcoin was here hitting all-time highs, right? Altcoins were up a lot too. I was getting like over 200 viewers on TikTok. Sometimes even I went to like 300. So that was a signal right there, right? To take profits. So you will. Thank you, Sammy. Thank you so much. We appreciate all your knowledge. Joel, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for all the nice comments, guys. And we're almost at 20,000 likes. I'm streaming on, I'm just streaming on YouTube and on TikTok. I'd share, but no listeners. They all think I'm crazy. And that's another thing too, guys. One of the most, look, before I go off, guys, I'm gonna leave you guys with this hopium, okay? This is the last thing I say right here. This is the hopium right here. Bitcoin is at all-time highs from 2021, last bull market, okay? We are at all-time highs from last bull market, basically building support. That's what we're doing. We're building support from last all-time highs. Meanwhile, everyone is fearful. The sentiment is bearish. We look at the fear and greed index. We're about to reach fear. We're in neutral right now, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna reach fear. Meanwhile, retail is not in, right? Because is retail in? Not really. If you compare retail right now to the same price that it was back here in 2021, it's not even comparable. It's not even comparable. Back here, right, we had NFT craze. Retail was all in. We had this max euphoria at the same price. All this is happening. Meanwhile, we're at the same price. And it just tells me that Bitcoin is gonna have to go a lot higher for retail to come in, just like retail came in back here in 2021. So this is why I'm super bullish. And once you get that same retail feeling, that same retail euphoria feeling, just like we did right here, that most likely will be the top. And it could be, you know, over 100K somewhere. I don't know where, but you know, my prediction, I believe it might be around 172, 169 to 172, you know, around there. That's where I think it might be, but we'll see. We'll take it one day at a time. And will the dip to support band? We'll support band. Oh, here again? I mean, I'm just putting this as a range. Yeah, you can ask any question about crypto. If you guys are beginners too, if there's a lot of beginners in here, you know, that are new to crypto, feel free to ask anything. Also join the Telegram and Discord, which is free. But I love getting new people into crypto. It makes me really happy, because the more people that we have coming into the crypto space, the more buyers we have, right? The more people that we have buying crypto, which is great for the overall market. Brad says, wasn't retail? Yeah, retail was in, but it was nothing compared to back here in 2021, right? It was literally a month. It was literally a month, and then we have a big dump, and then retail's all out again. But the amount of retail that was in here back in March, when Bitcoin broke all-time highs just for like a little bit, it's not the same retail that was back here in 2021 when we had NFTs selling for millions of dollars. We had, you know, real estate NFTs on Sandbox or whatever selling for a lot of money, and you know, you had all these altcoins pumping with zero utility, right? All these metaverse altcoins pumping, so it's definitely not the same. The biggest problem is that retail is focusing only on meme coins. They get scared because they didn't buy late 2022 and 2023. Yeah, exactly. Look, that's another reason why, you know, these big dumps don't really move me that much, because I started buying in 2022, a good amount in 2022, 2023. So yeah, AI coins. I mean, like, AI coins had still have one of the best charts. I mean, I just showed you Fetch.ai, EOS. They have some of the most bullish charts out there. A lot of the AI coins that are dumping are usually like lower AI coins, lower cap AI coins. But the higher cap AI coins like EOS, Fetch.ai, they have really bullish charts. And I believe they're definitely gonna pump. Thoughts on the merger? To be honest, I haven't looked into it. I don't know when it's gonna happen. Honestly, don't know if it's good. But hey, I mean, if it's all three, right, then it probably is good, because all three have been doing really good. So in July, it's gonna be in July. Okay. Yeah, AI dumped and then memes took over. So it's kind of like a cycle, right? At some point, AI is gonna flip and come back up, and memes will probably dump. Exactly, yeah. We just got some good news today that SEC basically just said that ETH is not a security, and we can see it basically here in the charts, as ENS is up 14% on the daily, Lido's up 20%, right? And this is on the weekly too. ENS up 37% on the weekly. You know, all Ethereum coins. So this is great news here for not just Ethereum but the overall altcoins, especially with Ethereum next month trading ETFs. If it begins next month, that's gonna be super bullish for the overall markets, because again, they're gonna be buying spot, right? Spot Ethereum. It's not like futures Ethereum. So yeah, Fetch.ai is merging next month. Crypto Bagger says EOS is gonna be huge. I'm buying the dip. Yeah, I heard a lot of good things about EOS, and this is its first big dip. So if you miss out on EOS, I think you know, this dip is probably a good deal. But wow, you guys have killed it today with all the gifts, all the follows. Again, if you guys want to know where I'm at when I'm not live, join the Telegram, join the Discord, 100% for free. I'll be on there. But I'll be live again tomorrow, guys. Do not miss it. I'm gonna be live during the day because I don't work. I'll be live during the daytime and probably during the nighttime too. Thank you for all the new followers. Thank you for everyone that sent gifts. I'll be live again tomorrow to give you an update on the crypto markets. And I just want to say thank you guys so much. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next live stream. Peace. Oh, I forgot, guys. Starting next live stream, we're gonna do small giveaways. I'm gonna do small crypto giveaways that we're gonna pick out the winners live in the stream. So just my way to get back to you guys. Thank you, Sammy. Thank you, Joel, Shell. Thank you, guys. Scented Pleasures. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Good night. Peace. What a great stream. Wow. What an amazing stream. You guys killed it. Yosef, thank you so much, bro. But super late right here where I'm at. I don't work tomorrow, but I'll be alive tomorrow, guys. I will be live tomorrow, so watch out.